What are the philosophical debates on AI personhood? Imagine a future where machines might be seen as more than just tools. Could they someday be recognized as persons? That's the core of the debate about artificial intelligence and whether it deserves legal or moral standing. These questions are not just philosophical. They influence how laws are made and how responsibility is assigned when AI causes harm. Personhood traditionally means having rights and obligations. For humans, that includes consciousness, self-awareness, and the ability to feel emotions. Laws also extend personhood to entities like corporations, which can own property and sign contracts, even though they lack feelings or consciousness. When it comes to AI, the question becomes whether these systems meet the same criteria. Many thinkers look at three main ideas: agency, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Agency means an AI can make decisions independently. Theory of mind involves understanding what others are thinking or feeling. Self-awareness is the ability to reflect on one's own existence and goals. Some advanced AI systems can simulate these traits, like making decisions or predicting human behavior, but experts agree they do not truly experience feelings or consciousness. From a legal point of view, if AI systems were granted personhood, they could have rights and responsibilities. That might mean holding an AI accountable if it causes harm, or even allowing it to own property or enter contracts. But many argue that current AI lacks the true consciousness needed for personhood. They warn that calling AI persons could blur lines of accountability, making it unclear who is responsible for damages, whether it's the developer, the user, or the AI itself. A key debate revolves around consciousness. Some believe that if AI ever becomes conscious, it should be given rights to prevent suffering or exploitation. Others say AI cannot be conscious without biological parts, and that current systems only mimic human behavior without genuine understanding. This has big implications for regulation. If AI is seen as a person, it could be sued or own assets, which would requiring new laws to manage these interactions. Another concern is reductionism, the idea that human consciousness can be fully explained by algorithms. Critics argue that this view oversimplifies human experience and risks dehumanizing both people and machines. They warn that treating AI as persons might diminish human dignity and lead to ethical issues about our relationship with technology. In practice, the debate influences how governments create rules for AI. For example, if an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, liability usually falls on the manufacturer or operator. But if AI itself is considered a legal person, responsibility could shift, complicating justice and compensation. Some regions are even exploring new legal categories for AI that are separate from humans and corporations, aiming to balance innovation with accountability. Supporters of AI personhood say that highly advanced AI systems, especially those with decision-making power, should be recognized legally. They compare this to corporate personhood, where rights are granted based on function. Opponents emphasize that AI lacks the capacity for true consciousness or feelings, making personhood inappropriate. They warn that confusing simulated behavior with real understanding could lead to legal chaos. A middle ground approach suggests creating special legal statuses for AI that acknowledge its unique role and capabilities without equating it with humans or corporations. This way, society can regulate AI effectively while respecting the limits of current technology. These debates are shaping the future of AI law and governance. They influence how we assign responsibility, protect rights, and develop regulations for increasingly autonomous systems. As AI continues to grow smarter, these discussions will only become more important, challenging our ideas of personhood and how we integrate machines into our moral and legal frameworks.